Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Carmichael again. So we're going to continue doing a little bit of math, and the worksheet that I have out is 13-4 right here, and it looks like this. So if you don't have this worksheet out, I'll let you go ahead and pause me, grab this worksheet, and then unpause me when you're ready to begin. So what we're going to talk about today is halves and fourths. So halves. What does that word sound like to you? What word sounds like halves? That's right, half. And they mean the same thing. So I'm going to draw me a circle here. And I need to divide this circle into halves. How do I do that? How many parts are in a half? How many? 5, 6? Just 2. But they have to be equal. So I'm going to divide this circle into 2 equal parts, which we call halves. So I'll put mine right down the middle here. I have 2 parts. So instead of just saying 2 parts, I could say this circle is in halves. And I could divide my circle a different way. I'll just draw a different circle here. Maybe I wanted to put my circle this way. But it's still equal. 2 equal parts. So when we divide it like that into half, we call it halves. Say halves. All right? Now, if I want to make something into fourths, how many sides do you think it's going to be in? Yep, that's right. 4. So I'll go ahead and do that same circle again, and I'm going to, bada bing, divide it into fourths. All I did was put a line down the middle and another line down the middle. I was really careful to make sure my sides stayed equal, so all my sides are the same. 4, we call this fourths. Can you say fourths? So you could do this with any shape. You could do it also with a rectangle, with a square, and you can divide them into equal fourths. So what this paper wants you to do is it gives you your example. It tells you that the triangle is divided into halves, which is 1, 2 sides, and that the rectangle is divided into fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it wants you to read these 2 sentences, and you're going to circle the one here that's in halves, the one that's in fourths, and it wants you to draw your very, very own shape on the back. Draw a shape that has halves, and draw another shape that has fourths. Be very careful. Take your time and make them equal sides. And then I want you to label the one that is in halves. I want you to say halves. Write it out. It tells you how to spell it right here. And the one that's in fourths, it wants you to write the word fourths next to it, okay? And then when you're done with that, put your name on it. And I want to see best handwriting. So when your parents or your uncle or grandma, whoever has you, brings those packets back to me, I'm going to be like, I know whose handwriting this is. And what do we always remember on the top, guys? Remember, the first thing we do is always the same. We pick up our pencil and write our name. Because I want to make sure when I get all your packets, in case a paper fell out, make sure you're putting your names on the top of the pages. And I missed you. And the next video we're going to do after that is going to be the pizza maker one here, where we're going to divide our pizzas and answer them. That'll be up next. Okay, bye.